On-demand maintenance from Wrench was born out of consumer frustration. And now, many fleets are taking advantage of the convenience and the ability to greatly minimize vehicle downtime.
Wrench really came about from consumer frustration, vehicle owner frustration. You will never meet anyone actually out there who enjoys dealing with the process of maintaining, repairing their vehicle. And so we looked at a couple of things as we started to evaluate the space. One, it's really, really fragmented. I mean, there are 275,000 independent shops across the US, none of which have a tremendous amount of continuity and consistency in what they deliver. Two, it's that customer satisfaction element to it, right? You never meet anyone who really enjoys the process. Even when it's a good service, the overall experience and the convenience of it are always problematic. And then we looked at two additional things that really are just sort of the changes in what's going on in the US on consumer behavior and business behavior. One is what we refer to as this culture of convenience. It really is this on-demand culture. I want my food on demand, whether it's DoorDash or whether it's Amazon Fresh. I want my movies on demand with Netflix. I want a taxi to come and get me with Uber or Lyft. There is this expectation that has really evolved over the last, call it 10 years, where you hit a button and an expert shows up to deliver this service to you. And so that culture of convenience was a big driving factor for us. Lastly, we really looked at this thing that is being driven a lot, and then we're in Seattle, so we're in Amazon's backyard, and we see this on a day-to-day basis where there's this last mile that is really driving retail. And so there's an enormous push in the fleet side of the world where to get that last mile, you have to have a large contingent of lightweight vehicles that are out there delivering. And that's not just Amazon, that's Walmart, that's Target, that's services like HVAC services and other things of that nature. And so we really saw that one of the critical things in those businesses is downtime. We thought there was a way to eliminate that downtime by bringing the technician to the fleet, servicing the vehicles off hours, and then using technology to really provide an efficiency and a consistency within that service.